You're really getting wet. Yes, you are. Yes, now he's looking in the mirror to make sure he looks okay. You're so vain, Stormy. Nope, he doesn't look okay. He needs another bath, I guess. He's just a baby. He's just a baby. He's the baby, even though he's bigger. You are so silly. You like that, huh? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a mess to clean up here. Hey, be nice, Sonny. You have to share. I know, you were the baby. No, you're not. You're still the baby. Uh-oh, you're getting everything all wet here. My gosh.